So today's completed project is at St Vincent De Paul Primary School in Belfast. So we used our positive steps, we had a small indoor bespoke pathway, and we also included our beautiful eagle wings as well in the planning and design. So we start off outside our principal's office with our breathe in, breathe out for our children. We then join our path, again leading from the entrance of the school into our positive steps. We look left and right. We follow our balance boards and our snake leads into our beautiful pathway. Stand on one leg, hop, jog, down our timber, squat, again deep pressure. We come down again onto our spin. Again our beautiful snake leads out into the play area, or again back into our beautiful pathway. Our double jumps, put deep pressure input. Pebbles, our star jumps, jog and clap, and then our children can move across from the pathway into our two wall tiles with our deep pressure push hands, with our touch toes. Again, we're going to follow back on to the pathway and look left to look right. So this corridor connects Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2. So then we have our beautiful rainbow flowing out into the playground area. So our children can come off the pathway, onto the rainbow, down the steps. We've got again our beautiful positive steps here. Again in the morning, this is the main access point for our children to come into school, and a beautiful smell of flowers to start their day to help with regulation and anxiety on arrival to school.